In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to a different phone or a different device. So basically, you're only able to connect your AirPods to one single device at any time. So if you want to go and connect your AirPods to a different phone or a different device, I'm going to show you two different ways that we can go and do this. Now, the first method is you just want to go and open up the device that your AirPods are currently connected to. So for example, let's say your AirPods are already connected to phone number 1. Then what we can do is go and open up the settings on that phone. You can then click on Bluetooth, and underneath my devices we need to go and locate our AirPods. So mine are these ones here, and what we can do is click on the information button next to the AirPods, and you can press forget this device and just click forget device. Now once you've done that, you can go and grab your second device. So whether this is another phone or another device entirely, what we can do is just go and open up the device like so. And we're going to flick open the lid of the AirPods, and it should pop up with a message saying to connect your AirPods. And you can just go and press connect to connect the AirPods. Now, if this doesn't work for you, then I'm going to show you a second way to do this. Now, what we can do is just flick open the lid of the AirPods once again, and you should have a button on the AirPods either on the front or the back of the case. And we're simply going to hold this button down for around about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll see this blinking white light on the top of the AirPods, and essentially you just need to keep holding down this button until this white light turns into an orange light. So I'm going to keep holding it down, keep holding it down, and eventually you'll see this white light turn into an orange light. As soon as you see that orange light, you can go and release your finger from the button on the case of your AirPods. You can then go and close the lid of your AirPods. And now what we can do is come over to our second device once again. So I'm going to open up my phone here. And now if I go and open the lid of my AirPods, you can see that will bring up the connection message on my AirPods. If it doesn't work the first time around, you can always close the lid and try reopening them once again. And that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.